What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're going to talk about TSMP. TSMP, what I'm seeing in the technicals from today, which is very beautiful. You're going to want to stay tuned for that. And then also shout out to one of my subscribers turning me on to a website that I want to share with you guys about how often TSMP is really being researched. So before I get into that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I love to share to anybody who is open to listen. So that being said, guys, let's just get right into it. So technicals today on TSMP. I had talked about it in my last video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, guys, please take a look into all the research and analysis I've done on TSMP so far. Originally, I was just day trading this thing, but the more and more I kept researching it, the more and more I got interested in it. Go check out those videos. But we had talked about the technicals as I seen on Thursday, where we were finally getting that base in the 10s, and then on Friday, we started getting a base in the 11s. And then now today, we're getting base in the 12. And I talked about it over the weekend video that we were probably going to keep on moving up and getting bases in the 12s. And that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened today. Also, what I'm seeing in the short-term chart pattern, can we get a major push? Are we going to see a push at some point? Because if you look right here in the technicals, if we really get into it, let me change my drawing tool real fast. If you can see right here at the top here to here, boom, and then from the bottom here to here, we're getting this kind of a bull flag forming on TSMP, which is also a great sign. It's also a great sign in the technicals for this thing to go bullish. And then again, back-to-back green days, a slight gap up. And then again, if we look into today, we're basing at 12 now. As you can see, we tapped here at 12. Boom. Oh, I forgot to change my drawing tool. Excuse me. Boom. Let's go here. If you can see here, we're basing at 12. Hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, and then finally took off when it wouldn't go below 12. And then we had a high of 13.22 today before the final little dip. I could see a potential push tomorrow and push into the 13s, and let's see if it will hold that 13 level. TSMP has been getting a lot of eyeballs on it, which leads me to the next thing I want to talk about. And if we go over here, one of my subscribers brought this to my attention. So this is thelion.com, where they track the 50 most searched stocks. Obviously, it's already updated Monday, December 21st. The number one stock out of the 50 most searched stocks on the internet is TSMP. The popularity, you can see the chart here, significantly increased over all of these. I mean, come on. I mean, we got stocks like Tesla. We got stocks like PLTR. I was involved in PLTR. Neo, I'm involved in big time. But the number one search stock is TSMP. That is such a huge catalyst. Because again, we're talking about mass psychology here. Mass psychology plays a huge role in the stock market. Anything you're researching, anything you're involved in, it's all about volume. It's all about demand for supply. And obviously, we didn't get to see an increase in volume today. There wasn't really an increase, as you can see right here on the daily volume. It's still kind of flat, but to have back-to-back green days, buying up on the base of the 10 and then going from a base from 10 to 11, and now today basing at the 12 area, showing support at the 12. Those are all great signs to have support at 10 on Thursday, then to have support at 11 on Friday, and then now having support at 12 on Monday. Those are all great signs for it to continue to move in the direction that we are all looking for. And then to have just to see this, that the most searched stock according to this website is TSMP. That is also a great signal for it to be bullish. Again, man, it's kind of hard with penny stocks and all the speculation that goes around penny stocks, but I think If you watch the rest of the videos that I have on TSMP, if you haven't, please do. I think I provide enough information that will have you thinking on whether or not you should be bullish on this stock. And after everything I found, I started feeling really bullish on this stock, and for a longer term play than just trying to day trade it and capitalize on a short term move. But again, now we're having this as another catalyst that can propel this thing, because again, it's all about supply and demand. It's all about mass psychology. You know, how many, you know, where is this stock at on the radar of the entire stock market? How many retail investors are looking at this? How many day traders are looking at this? How many swing traders are looking at this? Obviously, it is the most searched stock on the internet, according to that website. Obviously, we have a good base at 10, and then to 11, and now at 12. And we're going to get that steady grind up. The flow is pretty huge. We're in the billions of shares. So I don't really see necessarily a huge pop sometime soon unless we have some kind of news catalyst to propel this thing. I don't necessarily see a huge move, you know, intraday but I do see it potentially climbing back to the highs in early 2021. And if it could do that, and then with the news release of, you know, finalizing, which they did finalize their merger, but finalizing their change of the ticker symbol, and then also getting into finally launching that app, I think those are all going to be great catalysts for 2021 to propel this thing. And if we could break the high here of the 36, I could very well see this going and getting close to testing that dollar range, guys. So just a quick analysis on TSMP. Again, you could see here basing in the 12s and then having a pop in the highs of the 13s, which is great. We're seeing support levels increase by a penny, 10 cent to 11 cent to now today till 12 cent, basing on support, as you see right here. We're starting to see a bull flag form in the last 4 days on this 5-day, 5-minute chart. Boom, we get the pop, and then heavy consolidation, grinding up 1 cent at a time. So I could see this popping and eventually breaking this 1450 high sometime this week. And then having TSMP on the top of the list of most researched stocks, most popular stock research. That is also an amazing thing to see, because it just says all eyes on TSMP. You feel me? Again, man, if you made it this far, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about TSMP on the top of this research list. Let me know what you think about my technical analysis. Let me know what you think in your own technical analysis, and where you think this could be by the end of the week. Again, if you watch this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place for you to do that. So TSMP, man, just an update on some news. TheLion.com, #1 most searched stock on the internet, and then having some great bullish signals in the technical analysis, and continue to grind penny at a time up. And let's see what happens this week, guys. So that's going to be it for today. Till my next update, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.